One of the new features in Microsoft Teams is Breakout Rooms, which supports small group learning. With Breakout Rooms, teachers can divide their classes into small groups to facilitate discussion and teamwork. Please note that Breakout Rooms can be created only in the desktop version of Teams and not the web-based version. Students can join a room using any version of Teams. To create Breakout Rooms, join your meeting at its scheduled time and wait for your students to join. When your students have joined and you're ready, select Breakout Rooms from your meeting controls. Choose how many rooms you'd like to create from the drop-down. In the dialog box, choose whether you'd like Teams to assign students to rooms automatically or manually if you'd prefer to assign students to rooms yourself. Finally, press Create Rooms. If you choose to automatically add students to rooms, they will be already assigned to their different breakout rooms. To manually add participants, expand the list under Assign Participants. Hover over student names until checkboxes appear. Choose Students by selecting the checkboxes. Select the Assign button and choose a room from the list. Repeat this process until all students have been assigned to rooms. To view the participants assigned to a breakout room, expand the arrow next to a room's name. To set options for a room, select the More Options icon. Select the room's settings. Turn on Automatically Move Participants to Rooms to transfer students directly to their breakout rooms. Enable Participants can return to the main meeting to allow students to return to the main meeting to ask a question, then return to their breakout rooms if still open. Follow these steps to open the breakout rooms. To start all rooms at once, select Open Rooms. Their status will change to Open. To start rooms individually, select More Options next to the room, then Open Room. The teacher can also join any breakout room. Start by selecting the More Options icon next to the room, then Join. Select Return when you're ready to leave the breakout room and return to the main meeting. Students and teachers can record breakout rooms just like they can in a regular Teams meeting. To start recording, go to the meeting controls and select More Options. Open the menu and select Start Recording. Everyone in the breakout room is notified that recording has started. All recordings will be accessible by any attendee in the meeting chat. To send an announcement to everyone, select More Options, then Make an Announcement. Type in your announcement, and then select Send. Students will receive a notification in their meeting chat to check for your announcement. To close all rooms at once, select Close Rooms. To close rooms individually, select More Options next to the room, then Close Room. Have fun in your new breakout rooms, and remember to hit subscribe.